Hey everyone, it's Spookily here back with another video, and today guys, hold on, let me just do something. Is that better? Is the lighting better now? I think it is. Anyway, today guys, we are playing some more TOCA Kitchen 2. Now, you guys seemed to like it, the last time I played it, so we're gonna play again. Yeah, we're gonna play again because you guys seem to like it. So, yeah, let's find out what weird and wonderful things we're gonna feed whoever. We're gonna, we didn't really get to do the mustache guy that long, so I think we're gonna do him longer now. See what we can do. Right then. If you guys want me to do this one more time as well, if you want me to play again, then definitely let me know by leaving a like on this video. Okay, we're gonna get this guy. Now, I still don't know what this is, so we're gonna cook it, see what it turns out. It's turning a bit yellowish browny kind of thingy. Let's put in there again and see what happens. It just turns more yellow. What do we do again? Let's keep on doing it. Yeah, I have no idea what this is. I'm gonna have to move this over here for today's video. Right then, can you eat it now? Can you eat it? There you go. Thank you. Stop moaning. Oh god, no. He doesn't seem to move my webcam a bit. Ah, no, not there. Fudging mood. They're right. Fudging thank you. Is that good? No! Hold on. There's a bit of a gap right there. You fudging stop moving by yourself. Right then, that's gonna have to do. Right then. Right then. So, I think we're gonna give him a shrimp. And then, I'm gonna boil the shrimp. Okay. And then we're going to take that. We're also going to cook it. And there we go. Now we're going to fry it. Well, fry it? Yeah, I don't know. There we go. We're just going to do all the things you can do. Except for the chopping and the slushy thing, smoothie. And we're gonna boil it. Right then. Actually, we're also gonna add all of these things on there. Yeah. We're gonna add loads of that stuff on it. Yeah. Boom, boom, loads of ketchup as well. All that stuff on there as well, and some hot sauce. So this, I think that's like barbecue sauce or something. I don't know, and a bit of yellow lemon here, there, and a ton of salt and pepper. Now, go. Yum 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 yum. What do you think? Oh, killed him again, guys. Oh no, he's back to life. He's back alive. Okay, thank God. I'm not a manslaughter. Right then. Or murderer. Right, so I don't want the fish. No, put the fish back. Okay, you can eat the fish. Eat the flipping fish. Oh my god. Well, you know what? Gertie, come over here. We got fish for you over here. Gertie. Don't know what she's doing. Right then, we're gonna fry the fish, yeah. Fried fish. How about that? Oh god. Okay, that looks like a fish. That looks like a fish-shaped potato, to be honest with you. Alright, eat that now. There you go. You're complaining about it's hot. Okay. Rice, please, thank you. And a carrot. We're gonna give him a carrot. And we're gonna put that in the smoothie thingy. Yeah. And then we're gonna dilute it a bit. Oh, fudge, no. I want to dilute it a bit. Yeah, okay, boom. And now we're going to add a bit of lemon to make it more yellow. Right then. I want to do the same thing to this. Okay, we're gonna add into that. Oh, it's white. Oh my god. Started that a bit more. Add some more lemon in and some barbecue sauce. All the ingredients. We're gonna make another disgusting smoothie, as we did in the last episode. If you didn't see that, go see it now. Go see it now. I'm looking the wrong way. Right, and oh, fudge. Okay, well, you're gonna have to eat it again, so too bad. Come on. Just gulp it down. Forget about the taste. Just gulp it down. Come on. Nom, nom, nah. The same reaction. Okay. Gonna get some. I don't know if this is spaghetti or noodles. I don't know. But we're gonna also give him a pear. Give him a pair of pears. I'm gonna give him a pair of pears. Alright, eat the pair of pears. Come on, yeah, okay. I like pears. I don't like pears that much. They're kind of like apples, just a bit more soft. I don't know. Anyway. What we're going to do, we're going to... What was if we do this to it? Is it just going to make lines on this? Yeah. That's a bit lame. Okay, let's cook it then. Boom. And... Huh? Yeah, it has not changed. It's all right then. Okay, let's just add a bunch of barbecue sauce all over the flipping thing and let's eat it. I don't know if you put barbecue sauce on the thing. Do you like it? Okay. This guy's not giving me any reactions. Right then, let's go on. Let's move on to the girl. How about that? Let's see how she likes. What are we going to give to her? I want to give her another smoothie, and this one is going to be a really meaty smoothie, so we're going to give her a really meaty smoothie. So come on. Hold on. Along with all these other ingredients. Oh no, you can only put 2 in at a time. Right then. Okay. It's gonna have a lot of fat in it and calories. Calories, no. Well, there's chicken in there, so yeah. I guess so. Now it's diluted a bit. And hold on. Okay. Nope. Webcam. Don't fudge with me again. Right then. What are we gonna do? Let's not put too much healthy stuff in there. We're just gonna add a bunch of vinegar and that's it. Right then. How will you like this? Are we gonna kill her again? No. Yeah, no. Okay, well, drink it again, son. Don't put any of this to waste. Right then, broccoli. No, I don't want that. Chuck that over there. Actually, you know what? No, you're eating that now. There you go. At least she'll eat it. Right then, go and give him a potato. Give me the potato, thank you. Okay, we're gonna boil the potato. I'm gonna try and make, we're gonna try and make chips here. How about that? So we're gonna chop this up now. There we go. And now chop this up. So we're gonna into like, so we'll chop. No, chop, 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 chop. There you go, guys. Now you got some chips. Oh my god. Let's just move that all the way into. Let's just boil these again. Oh no, one piece fell out. Okay, come on. Boil, boil, boil. And then now you got some chips. Technically. Eat the chip, eat the chips, eat the chips. Ah, yeah, I know I like chips. Oh, and I've got to add the salt. No! Get the salt, get the ketchup, maybe some barbecue sauce there. Oh, vinegar as well. Don't forget the vinegar. Right, and now eat it. Oh, come on, say ah. Say ah. Say it. There you go. Thank you. What is the time there on that clock in the background? I don't know. Whatever. There's no numbers on it, so... I think we're going to give her one more thing. Okay, the piece of bread, and we're going to give him this. And then we're going to cook this. Okay. And then going to chop this. See if it's actually quite... Let me see. Boom. Then... And then eat it, and eat it. Eat it. There you go. Forgot to add toppings on it. Yeah. Anyway. Alright then, guys. So, I think that's going to do it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy today's video and want me to play some more of TOCA Kitchen 2, then do give this video a like. And, yeah. See you next video. And if you don't want me to do this again, then you're free to dislike it. Okay? Or just let me know in the comments. But anyway, guys, hold on. So anyway, guys, yeah, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Well, peace.